Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Microsoft Teams account and see connected devices and organizations. This is incredibly useful if you want to monitor where your account is being used or if you need to remove access from devices you no longer use. To get started, head to the upper right corner of your Microsoft Teams window. You'll notice three dots positioned just before your profile icon. Click on those three dots and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is your gateway to all the configuration options for your Teams account. Once you're in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find various options, but the one we're interested in is Accounts and Orgs. Click on it. This section is where Microsoft Teams displays all the accounts and organizations you're currently connected to. If you're part of multiple organizations or have linked several accounts, they'll all be visible here, making it easy to keep track of your professional connections. Now, to dive deeper into managing your account and viewing the devices that have access to it, look for the Manage button and click it. This action will redirect you away from the Teams application and take you to the Microsoft website. It's important to note that you'll need to log in to your Microsoft account at this point if you aren't already signed in. Make sure you have your credentials ready to proceed smoothly through this step. Once you've successfully logged into your Microsoft account on the website, turn your attention to the left side of the page. You'll see a navigation menu with several options. Click on Devices. This is where Microsoft keeps a comprehensive list of all the devices that are currently connected to your account. It's a great way to audit your account security and see exactly where you're logged in. The Devices section will display a list showing each connected device. For any device you want to learn more about, click on See Details. This will provide you with additional information about that specific device, such as the type of device, when it was last used, and its location if available. This detailed view helps you identify whether all the connected devices are legitimate and belong to you. If you spot a device that you no longer use or don't recognize, you have the option to remove it. Simply click Remove Device next to the device you want to disconnect. This action will immediately log your account out from that device, enhancing your account security and ensuring that only devices you actively use have access to your Microsoft Teams account. And there you have it, you've successfully managed your Microsoft Teams account and reviewed all connected devices. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.